All right, YouTube, welcome back to part 2 of the GTR build. Last episode, or last part, we managed to completely build the engine. So that's pretty cool. Just all sitting there. I'm pretty sure I'm still missing some stuff, like the starter right here. Definitely needs to go in, so we need to go ahead and get one of those. That's fine. We'll do that next. But realistically, what we really need to do is we need to go ahead and just get all the power reservoirs, the window washer fluid, the coolant reserve, both filters, the ECU, fuse box, brake servo, and the ABS, and then the battery. So let's just grab all of that real quick. All right, now we can start mounting some parts. Alright, that's that. The back is done. I'm really not seeing anything missing besides maybe the starter. Yeah. I knew I didn't grab a starter. Alright, that's the starter done. Anything else need done? Wait, what happened to the ABS module? The ABS module. We did not grab one of those. I wonder if we could get a tuner one. Oh. Alright, time to get all of these fuses. Alright, that's that. Anything else missing? No, I don't. Alright, next to last, we have the wheels, but let's get the body panels on and the interior done.
When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine.
We need wheels. What rim style fits the GTR the best? Honestly, this one isn't bad. I'm a fan of rim 3.8, bro. Like I really like these type of rims. I don't know, they just kind of speak to me. Oh, this isn't bad either. 5 pins or 5 spokes or whatever it's called. This is also not bad, but I don't know if it'll fit well on the Liberty Walk. I'm not gonna go for another 3.8. Actually, let's just do this. Get 4 size 18 with a 10 ET. Grab 4 of those. Go race tire. Or do we go with a slick tire? Not going for a white wall. Go with a slick tire B. 4 size 19 with, let's go, 275 with a 30 profile. I mean, that fitment is crazy. Let's put it to the dyno. Let's see, is it going to work now? Where the fuck is the starter for the dyno? There's no... Make sure you're on point. Yep. this was a drag build, this would be pretty good, I will say. That's not bad. Measured horsepower, 1,002 horsepower. Hey, listen, I'm like that for real. Listen to me. 1,002 horsepower is insane for a GTR. We really upped the power on this. This is 1,000 horsepower GTR. How many of those you know? How many of those you can say you know? That's what I'm talking about right now. I can't move my mouse. It's bugged on my screen, but that's fine. Oh, the brakes. God damn. It did not want to brake. This might not be a track spec car. This might be a different spec. I mean, this is definitely a drag build. I mean, it turns pretty well. This thing is quick, 1,000 horsepower. Oh my. Oh, 135. Faster than the RX-7, that's for damn sure. All right, before we end this episode, or well, before we end this build, and we move on to the next one, take it to the drag strip real quick. Do quarter mile versus. Let's just do a quarter mile. Let's do a quarter mile, and something that could potentially keep up. Let's go. Let's go, baby. So let's see. 0 to 60 in 2.026 seconds. That's impossible. Oh, no. Wait, I'm mad confused. RT. Oh, okay. So our 0 to 60 is 2.008 seconds. 333. I don't know what that means. Or 330 in 4.167 seconds. You know, quarter mile, we did it in 6.386 seconds, while they did it in 6.56 seconds. Our top speed was 116 miles, but we were off the line way faster than that car. Yeah, I mean, what can I say? The GTR, man, she is a absolute UT. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I don't know what's going to be the next car. We're going to have to go back to the junkyard in the next episode, and maybe we'll find something good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.